Hey guys, so in today's video we are unboxing a full bed, Walmart.com. It's called Allswell. So this is a hybrid bed in a box. The 10-inch memory foam with coils. So it has a little bit of both. We bought another one before this and there was a problem with the mattress. We had to bring it back to Walmart. They took care of us. And then with the money, we just went and got this one. We are gonna get a platform to put it on as well. That's coming in the mail in the next couple days. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then just look at this. So this is like the third or fourth one of these beds that we've purchased. And yeah, so we hope that this one works out really well for us. It's Allswell. So we'll see what this one, this is a very large box too. So it does look promising. Ooh, this looks luxurious.
Luxury.
What does it say? Oh, so I'm going to hang on to that. And then here it is.
Tip it over and dump it out.
Okay. Tippy. Also comes with wheels. Ooh. So it's another really big taco, and we have to cut it open to let it start expanding. And it is wrapped up really good.
Well, here we go. This bag is now a toy. You hear that, Gizmo? Hey, Suzu.
Boy, that plastic is very luxurious. It's good quality. Could already tell this is going to be great.
It seems packed nicer than the soda.
Yeah. Oh, I can hear some noise.
Wow, that's already a lot more encouraging. That's sort of
Holy moly. Okay.
Wow.
You better move fast. Hustle.
That's already a lot more encouraging than the last one.
Look at that. It's growing. Whoa. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Look.
This is much better than the other one.
Wow. It grew, maybe because the coils, that's why it grew so quickly, eh?
Probably.
It looks like a regular mattress from a mattress store. Like it's, I'm gonna touch it here in a quick second, but it looks very professional.
Professional.
Yeah, don't you think that looks professional?
This looks like a bed.
Okay, so we just legit opened it up, cut it, and then it looks, you know how sometimes they have to rise? If you've ever watched any of my videos, it's like a big rising moment. This thing, we just basically, you know, pulled it out of the plastic and it was ready to rock and roll. There's the name. And it's looking puffy and luxurious. So we paid $2.99 plus the tax. I'm already thinking this looks like it came from a furniture shop and it's very bougie. It looks really fancy.
Oh, perfect.
What do you think?
It's great. It's ready to rock.
So just put a platform on it?
Yeah.
Do you feel the coils?
No, it feels really nice.
You don't feel any coils?
No.
Does it feel like memory foam?
It just feels good. Any other
Oh, it's
questions?
nice. So it's not firm like the other one, eh?
It's just fine. It feels like how a bed ought to feel.
You want to say hi to my YouTube audience?
I do not.
Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll let you know in the comments, pinned comment, how this mattress does after the first night. I'm sure it's going to be spectacular. We're already very impressed how it rose and how beautiful the mattress looks. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.